Hey kids, today we learned the importance of internet in our day-to-day life nowadays. So let's do a quick activity. In this activity you need to create a Google Doc. So I have already created a Google Doc, and as you can see I have not named the Google Doc. So let's name it. Now you are supposed to name the Google Doc as School at Home. Yeah. So name your Google Doc as School at Home. Now what you need to write in the Google Doc. You will first write the heading. So for heading, you can increase the font size if you want to. You can increase the font size from here. It's okay if you don't increase the font size also. Just put the heading, importance of the internet in education. So once you put the heading, you will leave one or two lines in between, and then the first thing that you need to do is see the instructions. You have created the Google Doc, you have named it as School at Home, then you have given the title as Importance of Education in Internet in Education. Then you will write where do you use internet every day. So every day when you wake up, you get ready for school, and then you turn on your internet and laptop or any other device that you might be using. So where do you use internet for once you turn your device on? So I can write that I use internet in Google Classroom. I check the daily plan every day, what has been put up for you all. Then I can say that I use it for Google Meet also for the sync sessions. Then I can say that I use internet for solving the Google form. You can write such answer. Now next what you need to write. You need to write, after that you need to write why do you use the internet. Now why do you use the internet? You can say that I use the internet to fill up the attendance every day, join the meet link for sync classes. You can also write to solve the Google form assessments, to watch videos, watch the presentations that the teachers give you. So you can write all these things. There might be many more things that you might be using internet for. You can write those things also. After that, leave one more line. After leaving one more line, let's see what next you need to write. The last thing you will write is how do you imagine school at home without the internet. So suppose we didn't have the internet. So how do you imagine your school at home? I can write that school at home would not be possible without the internet. Yeah. You can also say that without the internet would not be possible to watch the videos posted on Google Classrooms, and also would not be possible to solve the assessments given on Google Classroom. So you can write the answer in your own words, whatever your thoughts are on about these questions. Once you are done doing this, you can decorate this Google Doc using images. You can change the font, you can change the font color, you can change the font size if you wish to. It is okay if you keep it like this only.